Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this special 2018 18 plate Vauxhall VXR 1.6 turbo. Now the thing that makes this car very special is it's actually been owned by a member of the Alpha Motors team, one of the sales team. If you've ever dealt with Lee, this vehicle was owned by that gentleman. Now in Lee's ownership, he bought it as a standard vehicle. He's done some very nice aesthetic modifications to the car. So obviously finished in this lovely pure white paintwork, which is in very nice order throughout. He's then basically blacked out the full of the exterior of the vehicle and just put his own sort of black package on it. But it comes with nice factory options from the factory. So you've got the carbon fibre package, so you get carbon fibre on the centre grille, the mirror caps. You've got the light and sight package, which gives you your automatic lights, automatic wipers. We've got privacy glass to the rear there as well. So this is a very well spec'd vehicle, supplied with a full service history, supplied with both keys, and never really driven in anger. So coming through to the front bumper, I'll show you what Lee's done. So normally where you get bright silver on the lower mouldings, that's now in the gloss black. Same goes for the nice little sort of vent just in between the bonnet and the front bumper. That's in the gloss black now, as well as the centre Vauxhall grille. And then the actual surround is in the lovely carbon fibre. But the front bumper's in nice order, so it's not riddled with stone chips. You can tell it's never been raced around, it's never been abused. Alloy wheels are 18-inch multi-spokes and they're in fantastic order as well. So Lee's only recently had them powder coated, so they are like new. It's had recent brakes as well, so brakes are spot on. Carbon fibre on the mirror caps. He's had this added as well, so different indicator lenses, and he's put a nice sort of carbon effect detailing surround just to match the mirror caps on the front grille. We've got high-speed wind deflectors, obviously privacy glass as I mentioned before. Nice dual exhaust. He's blacked out the rear Vauxhall badge and you've got carbon fibre behind there. He's got the matte black VXR badges. Now the car is being sold with its original 18 plate, but he has got this private registration which has a VXR in it, so if that's something that you're interested in, please drop Lee a message, and obviously that will be at added cost. But a very well presented vehicle. Inside it's in superb order, so we've got the nice half leather and cloth Recaro bucket seats. Now if you've ever looked at these vehicles before, they do tend to go on the bolsters on the seat base, but as you can tell they're in fantastic order, very minimal to no wear. I remember when he first bought the car, it had normal Corsa mats in there and it had a very tiny hole there, so what he's actually done is he's gone to the Vauxhall main dealer and he's bought some genuine VXR tailored floor mats. Quickly looking through to the rear, that's in superb order, barely being sat in. You've got Isofix in the bottom with your child seats, and then again follows through with those lovely new mats. We'll jump inside. Once you're inside the cabin, you're greeted with this lovely sporty steering wheel. So you've got perforations, it's flat bottom, you've got your cruise control and speed limiter, all your volume media controls are found on there as well. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 35,638 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the centre display, you've got your FM radio clicking through to source, you've got DAB, USB and Bluetooth as well. You've got your photo gallery, you've got your projection, so when you do connect your phone via USB, it basically mimics everything from your phone onto your screen there. Obviously Bluetooth phone connectivities, you've got settings, and you've got the OnStar safety as well. Traction control, central locking, Bluetooth phone, climate control with air conditioning. These are a 6-speed manual box, obviously powered by a 1.6 turbo engine which produces just over 200 brake horsepower. I think it's 202 or 205. So a very nippy car. Front wheel drive, but we have got chunky tyres on the front, so it does grip very well. but a very nice car. And obviously if you needed any more information, then Lee's the man to ask for. But you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you very much for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.